In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change menu font on Wix. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the controls that style your site's navigation and how to adjust the text so it's clean, readable, and on brand. Start on your page inside the Wix editor and locate your site's navigation on the canvas. Click directly on the menu. This selects the component so the relevant toolbar and settings appear. If nothing opens, make sure you click the menu itself and not a nearby element. With the menu selected, look for the design icon in the floating options. It typically looks like a small paintbrush. Click that to open the styling options for your menu. This is where Wix groups all the visuals. So anytime you want to change how the menu looks, you'll come back here. Next, choose Customize Design. This takes you from the quick presets into detailed controls. Think of this as moving from a template view to the nuts and bolts, where you can fine-tune the appearance to match your brand more precisely. Inside Customize Design, begin with the menu container. The container is the background and frame that your links sit on. While we're focused on font changes, opening the container first ensures you're in the right section and helps you understand how the menu is structured. You can always come back here later if you need to adjust spacing or backgrounds. Now, switch to menu items. Menu items are each individual link in your navigation: home, about, contact, and so on. This is the layer that controls how the text itself looks and behaves, which is exactly what we want to adjust. Click Text. This opens the text styling panel for your menu items. You'll see controls that specifically affect how the labels in your navigation appear. Use the font size slider to increase or decrease the size of your menu text. As you drag the slider, watch the live preview on your canvas to make sure the new size fits comfortably within your header and doesn't wrap to a second line. Aim for a size that stays legible across your most common screen widths. If your menu is long, a slightly smaller size can prevent the links from crowding or overlapping. If you use all caps or a bold style, you may not need as large a size to maintain readability. Also, keep an eye on how the size looks in different states, like when a link is hovered or selected, to ensure consistency. That's it. Your menu font size is updated. Make sure it aligns with your overall typography and you're good to go. Thanks for watching and happy designing.